Stop scrolling. Y'all know we don't crumble.
Buttercup cookies do. Mark.
Show 'em what we got, Devin.
Yo, first things first, man. We back with another crumble video. I know it's been a minute, but look. First things first, you know what I'm saying? One thing that I recommended was the Butterfinger crisp cookie. You know what I'm saying? Look at that, man. Y'all know that's what the inside of a Butterfinger looks like. Come on, stop playing, man. I got high hopes for this cookie today. So, you know, we on the road today. And on the other hand, you know what I'm saying? We got, you know, Biscoff white chip. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I wonder what that is right in the middle, you know what I'm saying? Biscoff cookie type thing. It look alright. I'm gonna have a question mark for this cookie, but you know, without further ado, let's get the crumbling, y'all.
Hey, we're back. We're back. We're back.
Get this out the way.
Kick off with the Biscoff, you know what I'm saying? All right, look at that. Look at that thing.
Bars.
Look at that thing. You feel me? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Go!
Oh, I think I've had this before. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I did. Okay, this is gonna be a good cookie.
It's a Biscoff cookie. Cookie butter cookie. No Biscoff is cookie butter.
Yes.
And this is fire.
Motherfucking 10.
This is fire. Dang.
That's what it was reminding me of, bro. I'm like, the smell like really kicking off like cookie butter.
It's like a cookie butter cookie mixed with white chocolate macadamia nut. Like that's without the macadamia nuts.
Thank God. Thank God.
I mean this whole cookie.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I gotta finish this. On camera. I mean the whole cookie on camera. It's that good.
Y'all get a 12. This is fire.
Okay, I don't think the Butterfinger is gonna top this one.
Yeah, they're hard.
It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, if you don't stop everything that you're doing right now and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications.
10. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
man.
fire.
So do I gotta add a question mark like the real
100 out of 10, you feel me?
Add cookies with a question mark to make it good. This shit
Right.
fire.
Yeah, that's really good.
I got two of them. Nah.
They can bring that in rotation. That one is good. I'll just get that just to
I can
eat
eat a
it.
whole cookie.
Yeah.
The thing about it is that like y'all first cookie butter cookie was trash.
Immensely
The
trash.
cookie butter ice cream was good. And then y'all did it again with this one. I guess y'all learned y'all lesson.
Yeah.
Y'all must have been watching our videos, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause
For real.
we told y'all it was trash. We didn't hide that.
I'm taking that to criticism. Yeah.
We didn't hide that at all.
It's fire.
No, that's lit.
Taking the criticism and turning it into a masterpiece.
You know?
Man, that was lit.
The truth
Alright.
makes you a million times better.
Indeed.
So you gonna like it. You gonna like it.
You see him? He drooling. He ready for his next cook.
So the peanut butter, what was it? Crisp? Yeah, peanut butter crisp.
Featuring Butterfinger, right?
Yeah.
Recommended by
My boy. I mean, oh shit.
I thought he was speaking about himself in third person. That you call yourself my boy Devin sometimes.
Yeah. I guess that's what we're gonna go with.
It's the Reese's at the top.
Man, shut up and eat the cookie.
I made the Butterfinger.
Wow. What's happening? I don't know. I'm really lost right now.
Stop scrolling, man. Cause I know why you don't feel connected. Cause you ain't got our number.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Bam! Hit us up. That's how you stay connected to HME. Once you hit this number, you about to have your inbox full of heroes, music, and entertainment. You know what I'm saying? As y'all know, last year, me and Elance dropped
We dropped the museum for your ears, Hero Love.
which is a conceptual album about the type of love that The type of love that'll go to war for love, that'll die for love. Then on April 26th, Elon's dropped Corrosions on the Heart, which
Takes the movie Titanic to the next level. Well, a hero level, you feel me?
HME also offers video and editing services. We just edited our first ad for Hulu, you know what I'm saying? And we got much more shows, music, and video content coming.
Wow.
So hit us up and let's revolutionize the culture. You feel me?
I mean, it's good.
It's good. But does it talk the best?
No.
I think that's why.
We're not doing cookie comparisons.
Right. It's so hard to not do that when you eat it all in one box, though. But this is good, man. I ain't gonna.
I give it an 8.
I give the Biscoff
That's
a
good number.
15 out of 10. I give this one like a 9.
Yeah, I'm about to say a 9. Yeah, it's like right up under the perfect.
Yeah, no, it's a good cookie. It's standard. That's how y'all Butterfingers.
I see y'all switching up the peanut butter. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Like,
Well, I'm
peanut butter
so
should
glad
just be
y'all did
trash.
not just use that regular peanut butter slather that y'all be using at the top of your
Thank
cookies.
you. Peanut butter is not frosting.
No, it's not. But yeah, I give it an 8 too. I think that's a solid number.
Yeah.
Shit, even the cookie got a nice texture.
We didn't eat all the cookies. I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
I like how y'all use the Butterfinger, you know what I'm saying? Sprinkle a little bit on the top.
And I can tell that's the same chocolate consistency in the Butterfinger. So that's even better too.
Yeah.
No freaking dark chocolate.
No.
Y'all stay away from that.
Can you bring back the icy cookie?
Please
Please bring that icy cookie
Yo,
back.
bring
Because
that
that
back.
was fire.
That was
the best cookie I ever made.
That was the best mystery
Okay.
ever. I was like,
And creative.
with the little straw. That little straw was good.
Mm-hmm.
I felt like I was watching Black Panther, man.
You like it?
You like that?
Great week for y'all, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all done did y'all thing.
There's confusion in here. I don't know
Yeah,
who
y'all-
sprayed it.
I don't know who sprayed it.
Something going on.
I don't know why when you said that I saw somebody with a can of confusion.
He was like, I'm gonna poison them today.
You like it?
I